Alright, so in this video we're going to be showing you guys how to still work out of a pickup truck and stay organized and stay efficient. Stay tuned. Alright, welcome to our channel. We are the Plumbing Gurus. If you've never been here before, I'm Karsten, and on this channel we're striving to save you money, keep you informed on all the proper plumbing practices. So let's get into this video. Alright, so I don't know if you guys have seen our other video. We'll put a link up here. It's with how to keep the van organized. Now we're getting into a truck. So Clayton's out there like doing all the big stuff with the big van, but I still have to somehow keep busy and keep myself organized out of this pickup truck. So if you're just a lone ranger and working by yourself and all you have is a pickup truck, you can't afford a big huge van and you want to use your truck, this video is for you. So on this far side over here, I have all my power tools underneath here. So I got my sawzall, my skill saw, we got lights, anything, all Milwaukee, it's all in here. And then here we just got like drill bits, all kinds of just miscellaneous things, a couple batteries in there. And then we got my hole saw kit. It's nice to keep like one big gigantic kit so it's all organized in one big kit. I like to keep all my important stuff that I use daily closer to the front so it's easier to grab. Got my tools, my drills, all that stuff. And then one of my favorite parts of working on the truck is having these Milwaukee bins. They're awesome to have. I got about 6 or 8 of these type of bins, whereas they all connect together. So you can carry them in 2 at a time kind of thing. We got PEX fittings, 3/4 and 1/2. We also have black fittings back there, copper fittings. Screws, got a big screw bin full of one of these things. Got a bucket, every plumber needs to have a bucket. There's also miscellaneous fittings and pipes and stuff in here. Got my vacuum back here. There's also another big toolbox just full of tools that I don't use every day, but they're accessible back there. We've got a huge bin back here full of 3-inch and a couple 4-inch fittings. And then we've got a 2-inch and 1.5-inch fittings. Got a nice little nipple tray back here. We keep all the things that we don't use like all day, every day close to the back, but we've got to have access to them. Got finishing materials and a couple of nice little bins here. Wax seals, you got your valves, anything to do with finishing, we're going to be putting in there. You probably can't see it here, but I got a solder kit here. There's also another video, we'll put in the link on how to keep organized with your tools and stuff. So there's a sweet little solder kit here. And then it also actually has copper fittings in there too. It's got its own little bin that comes off with fittings in it. It's really handy to have. Got my 4-foot ladder. 9 times out of 10 I only need a 4-foot in most scenarios. If I do happen to need a 6-foot, I just go see Clayton's van. Got pipes all along here up to whatever 5.5 feet. We just cut them into lengths. This is kind of a great scenario for small service jobs. If we are doing big huge jobs, Clayton's going to be delivering all the pipes out. And if you are by yourself, all wholesalers will deliver for you. So if you can't fit a hot water tank or a tub or any big ticket items in your truck, just get them delivered to site and then you can show up and you're ready to roll. I think that's pretty much it. This is how you stay organized. Also, I have 2 car seats in my truck, so I don't really get to use the back seat. But if you don't have kids, you can fold up your seats. Tons of space back there for you to put fittings and tools and whatnot. If you don't want to keep your stuff, like your tools in the back and get stolen, some guys will actually keep their tools in the back seat and then all the materials back here, so it's less chance of getting your stuff stolen. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. In this one, all we were trying to do is show you that how you can keep things nice and tight. We do have the van video, we'll show you up in here if you haven't watched it already. If you happen to have a big huge van like we do too, you can also look at that and how to organize a big van. But if you're just kind of just getting started out, or you're working by yourself and you don't want to buy a big van for whatever reason, and you can only work out of a truck, this is the best way to do it. You want to make sure everything's square and stackable so that you can kind of Tetris everything in here and maximize your space in this tiny little box that we have here. So again, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for all the subscribers. If you haven't already, please smash that subscribe button. And all we're doing here is trying to keep you informed on all the proper plumbing practices. We'll see you on the next one.